As a software engineer, I find that writing tests and fixing code usually takes much longer than writing the code itself. Our new model, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, can help write tests and fix code autonomously.
Anthropic AI has announced the Claude 3.5 model, and it's a game changer. This next-generation model has big advancements that could make its competitor, ChatGPT-4o, outdated or not as useful anymore. While ChatGPT-4o held the crown for a while, Claude 3.5 is set to rewrite the rules of the large language model game. Could this be the end of ChatGPT-4o? Let's find out. Anthropic new model, Claude 3.5. 3 months ago, Anthropic, the leading AI research company, which was founded by former OpenAI researchers, introduced Claude 3 models. Now the company has announced the launch of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the newest and most advanced model in the Claude AI family. This major upgrade comes shortly after OpenAI released GPT-4o, a large language model capable of handling multiple types of data. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is a mid-range AI model that fills the gap between two other models from Anthropic, Haiku and Opus. Haiku is the smaller, more efficient model designed for simple tasks. It's great for basic functions and quick responses, but doesn't have the advanced features of its bigger counterparts. On the other hand, Opus is the high-end model, known for its powerful capabilities. It's part of Anthropic's paid version, which costs $20 per month and is designed to handle more complex tasks with greater precision and depth. Currently, both Haiku and Opus are available only in version 3.0. This means that among the models Anthropic offers, Sonnet 3.5 is the most advanced. It combines the best features of both efficiency and high-level performance. Sonnet 3.5 stands out with its enhanced capabilities, greater knowledge base, and improved efficiency, making it the best option for users who need more than what Haiku offers but aren't ready to invest in the premium Opus model. Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the latest AI model from Anthropic, is making waves by outperforming even its predecessor, the Claude 3 model Opus, in many common benchmarks. Although it is not the largest model developed by Anthropic, Claude 3.5 Sonnet demonstrates remarkable capabilities. Notably, it surpasses OpenAI's flagship GPT-4o model, which is the driving force behind popular tools like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, as well as Gemini 1.5 Pro in several benchmarks. The only exceptions are the MMLU and math benchmarks, but even in these areas, the difference in performance is very slight. In the Human Evil benchmark, which assesses coding abilities, Claude 3.5 Sonnet achieves an impressive score of 92%. This is higher than the 90.2% score of GPT-4o. This superior performance in coding is a significant achievement, considering the complexity and precision required in programming tasks. It indicates that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is highly proficient in understanding and generating code, making it a valuable tool for developers and programmers. In the field of evaluating advanced reasoning skills, particularly at the graduate level, there's a test called GPQA Diamond. This test measures how well AI models can handle complex reasoning tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet model has achieved an impressive score of 59.4% on this test. In comparison, GPT-4o scored 53.6%. This significant difference shows that the Sonnet model is more effective in tackling these high-level reasoning challenges. Another important test for AI models is the Massive Multitask Language Understanding Test, which assesses the model's ability to handle various tasks without any prior examples, known as zero-shot prompting. In this test, Claude 3.5 Sonnet achieved a score of 88.3%, while OpenAI's GPT-4o model scored slightly higher at 88.7%. Although the scores are close, this still demonstrates the high capability of both models in handling a wide range of tasks without needing specific training examples. From these results, it's clear that Anthropic, the developers of the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, have created a very powerful AI. Their model not only performs exceptionally well in the GPQA Diamond test, surpassing GPT-4o, but also competes closely with OpenAI's models in the MMLU test. Additionally, When comparing these results to other models like Gemini 1.5 Pro, we can see that Sonnet stands out as a top performer, showcasing its advanced capabilities in understanding and reasoning. Claude 3.5 Sonnet capabilities. One of the standout features of Claude 3.5 Sonnet is its enhanced ability to process and understand context. This allows it to maintain more coherent and meaningful conversations, keeping track of previous interactions and building upon them. This feature is especially important for creating more natural and engaging user experiences, as it helps the AI to remember and reference earlier parts of a conversation, much like a human would. Claude 3.5 Sonnet model has been fine-tuned to improve its performance, making it more adept at understanding and generating human-like responses. This means it can handle more complex queries and provide more accurate and relevant answers, which is a crucial step for applications in customer service, virtual assistants, and other AI-driven interactions. Additionally, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet has been designed to be more versatile and adaptable. It can be integrated into a wide range of applications across different industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and business. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is a mid-tier AI model that stands out for its impressive speed and capabilities. Compared to the larger Claude 3 Opus model, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet operates at twice the speed, making it a more efficient choice for tasks that require quick processing. Despite being faster, it does not compromise on power and performance. In fact, it excels in many areas, especially in visual reasoning, outperforming even the advanced GPT-4o in various tests. One of Claude 3.5 Sonnet's strengths is its ability to understand and transcribe texts from images that might be difficult for the human eye to read. This makes it incredibly useful for tasks involving handwritten notes, old documents, or any image where the text is not clear. Beyond just reading text, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is also excellent at interpreting complex visual data. Whether it's a chart, graph, or illustration, this AI model can analyze and explain the information accurately. For example, when provided with a map, Claude 3.5 Sonnet demonstrated its advanced reasoning capabilities. It correctly identified the map as that of Chicago and made relevant suggestions for activities and navigation in the city. It recommended using public transportation instead of taxis, highlighting the convenience and cost-effectiveness of options like buses and trains. Additionally, it suggested popular neighborhoods to visit, such as Wicker Park, Lincoln Park, and Hyde Park, showing an understanding of the city's layout and attractions. Claude 3.5 has significantly improved in understanding sarcasm and humor. This advancement follows a trend set by Elon Musk when he launched Grok, an AI specifically designed to have a sense of humor. Grok's introduction sparked a movement among other large language models to enhance their abilities in this area. Humor and sarcasm are important because they make AI models more engaging and relatable when interacting with humans. Claude Opus, an earlier version, was already quite good at picking up on these subtleties, but Claude 3.5 Sonnet takes it to the next level. It is quicker and more accurate in recognizing and responding to jokes and sarcastic remarks. This improvement helps make conversations with AI feel more natural and enjoyable. As a result, it's easier to get tasks done while interacting with the AI, as it can understand and respond to human expressions more effectively. The push to improve AI's understanding of humor and sarcasm is not just about making AI fun to chat with. It's also about enhancing its overall communication skills. When AI can understand the nuances of human speech, it becomes more useful and efficient in a variety of applications, from customer service to virtual assistants. Therefore, many AI developers are focusing on teaching their models to grasp the human jokes better. This capability is crucial because it bridges the gap between human and machine interaction, making AI a more seamless and effective tool in everyday life. Claude 3.5 Sonnet also introduced a new feature called Artifacts, which works similarly to OpenAI's code interpreter tool. The Artifacts tool can generate code and create AI-generated content in a separate, dedicated interface. This means users can easily see the code Claude produces, make edits, and build upon it in real time. This integration allows users to incorporate AI-generated outputs directly into their projects and workflows, which is especially handy for anyone working with code. The interface provided by Claude for this feature is more polished and user-friendly compared to traditional chatbots like ChatGPT. This enhanced interface makes interacting with and manipulating the generated content much smoother and more intuitive. It's not limited to just one programming language, such as Python, but can work with various languages. For instance, using the Artifacts tool, you could create an SVG image of the Taj Mahal directly within the Claude Chat interface. This versatility makes the Artifacts feature extremely valuable for developers, designers, and anyone involved in creating digital content. By allowing real-time editing and integration of AI-generated code, it significantly streamlines the process of incorporating AI into different projects. This advancement helps bridge the gap between AI generation and practical application, making AI tools more accessible and useful for a wide range of tasks. The generative AI race. The competition in the AI world is heating up with Anthropic's AI model, Claude 3.5, significant strides in benchmark achievements. With OpenAI's GPT-4o setting a high standard, Anthropic's latest model aims to push the boundaries even further. Sonnet's success raises the possibility that it could pose a challenge to more advanced models like GPT-4 and potentially even future iterations such as the anticipated GPT-5. This could pave the way for Anthropic's Opus to establish itself as a strong contender in the evolving landscape of AI technologies. Anthropic has announced that 2 new versions of their AI model, Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus, will be available later this year. These updates promise to bring more capabilities and improvements to their already popular AI models. Despite these advancements, Anthropic has decided to keep the API price the same for their existing Sonnet 3.5 model, which has an impressive context window of 200K tokens. This means that users can process and analyze larger chunks of text, making the model even more useful for complex tasks. Currently, the new AI model is accessible for free on the Claude.ai website and the Claude iOS app. However, free users should be aware that there is a rate limit, meaning there are restrictions on how much they can use the model within a certain period. This limitation ensures fair use and prevents any single user from overloading the system. For those needing more extensive use, Claude 3.5 Sonnet can also be accessed through various other platforms. Anthropic's API provides direct access to the model for developers and businesses looking to integrate its capabilities into their applications. Additionally, the model is available via Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud's Vertex AI, which are powerful cloud-based services offering a range of AI tools and solutions. These platforms make it easier for organizations to deploy and scale their AI projects using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.